Come join us as we take a look at a Cabana Bay Poolside Family Suite with an interior entry. So upon walking in, you're going to see this great kitchenette space where you have lots of room for your snacks that you want to pack, maybe things you want to have for breakfast. And then you also have a sitting area with a lot of seating for the whole family. You've got couches, chairs, a couple tables you can move around for ease, and your television on this side of the divider. Going back to the kitchen, you see a couple bar stool seats for the kiddos to sit and have breakfast. You're going to find this is really equipped well for the family, especially if you're going to do a longer stay or a longer visit at Universal Parks. This has a microwave, you've got a Keurig, and you've got some storage for some snacks and food all in there. Walking a little bit deeper in, you'll see that you've got two queen beds over on this side with really bright colors, some great artwork, and there is a slider pocket door to kind of give even more separation from the sleeping area to this kind of lounge family room area in the front of the room. All right, heading deeper in, you should take a left into this particular room. You'll see that there is a separate water closet for the toilet. You've got one single sink to get ready with there, and then again on the other side, another sink and a full-size tub shower. So you can get a lot of people ready all in one room in different spaces, which is really helpful when you're working or traveling with a larger group. All right, come down this little corner. This is what's going to make this family suite a little bit different. Just kind of the layout. You've got a corner closet. Ironing board and iron will also be there tucked away in the back, and you really cannot get any better than this view. Check out this awesome view of Cabana Bay